Om Sri Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sri Krishnaya Paramatmane Namaha. Sri Bhagavanu Vacha Parthanaiveghanamutra Vinasastasya Vidyate Nahi Kalyanakrit Kaschid Durgatim Tata Gacchati. Sixth chapter, 40th sloka. Bhagavan Krishna is going to answer Arjuna's question. The sincere yogi, after Sravanam, after Mananam, after Karma Yoga, after Jnana Yoga, when he sits for meditation, due to disturbed mind, due to agitated mind, due to restless mind, due to wavering mind, he is not in a position to meditate on Parabrahman for long hours, or he is not at all able to do it because of mental agitations. That type of person, if Nididhyasana is not possible, recognizing, understanding, feeling Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam is not possible. Will he not perish like scattered cloud? If for him moksha is not there, where he will go? Moksha gadi is not there, where he will go? That's all he asked. In this Bhagavan Krishna, in this sloka he says, still, see, as long as his attempt is very sincere, he has crossed over Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Sravanam and Mananam. Due to the disturbance of mental activities, if he is not in a position to do proper Nididhyasanam, don't worry, because his intention is good. He is trying his best effort to do his spiritual journey and he wants to progress. Either now or even after his death, he will not go to the worst place, he will go to the good place. Durkadim, no Durkadim for him, it's good only. He will, if he performs, if anyone performs his attempt to do Nididhyasanam for long hours on meditating on Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam, but unfortunately due to some disturbances, he is not in a position to do Nididhyasanam. He is not in a position to perfect on Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam meditation. He is not in a position to feel, understand and enjoy Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam, or he is not in a position to assimilate this self-knowledge in this time. Don't worry, Arjuna, he will be in. Bhagavan Krishna is going to talk about next sloka onwards. He will definitely get good place either now or even after death, here and hereafter. So don't worry, Kalyanakrit. So that's all Bhagavan Krishna beautifully is going to explain in future slokas, where he goes like that. So definitely he will not go to the bad place, he will be in good place now also, he will be good place even after his death also. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow, 41st sloka, what Bhagavan Krishna says, we will do vicharam on that. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.